Inserting 10,000 documents one at a time, that's 10,000 network trips to MongoDB. Each write operation requires its own network request. Your app sends a command, MongoDB responds, and that full round trip repeats for every single operation. With 10,000 inserts, you are making 10,000 separate network calls, each carrying the same serialization and protocol overhead. bulkWrite batches everything into one request, so you pay that network cost exactly once, no matter how many operations are in the batch. bulkWrite supports 6 operation types: insert 1, update many, replace 1, and delete many. And you can freely mix them in a single call. The server benefits too. Instead of spinning up a separate command handler for every individual operation, it passes and processes the entire batch in one pass, reducing per operation overhead significantly. By default, operations execute sequentially. A failure halts everything after it. Set order to false, and MongoDB can parallelize the batch for maximum throughput. The trade-off: errors do not stop execution, so you need to inspect the result object for partial failures. This shines when importing large datasets, running ETL pipelines, or applying batch updates across thousands of records. bulkWrites collapse n round trips into one, reduce server overhead, and with unordered mode enable parallel processing. Subscribe for more MongoDB performance tips. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.